I built 11 gadgets and inventions that will totally amaze you, and trust me, some of them will blow your mind. Number 1 is the night pen. This pen has an extendable light that helps you write in the dark. So instead of searching for a torch at night, you can simply push a button and tilt it to your desired angle and you're good to go. Number 2 is the Spider-Man web gadget. I built a working Spider-Man gadget using some spring mechanism and motors to achieve this. Number 3, DIY Rasengan. I built a Rasengan device like in a Naruto movie. It uses fast moving light to create an energy ball on my hand. This is literally anime in real life. Number 4 is the homemade inverter. I was able to step up 2 lithium batteries to 220 volts that can power your house. Number 5 is the umbrella pen. I built a 2-in-1 gadget that can help you write at work or at school, and just in case there's a bad weather on your way back, you can just push a button and the pen instantly turns into an umbrella. Number 6, magnetic stirrer. I used some magnets and motors to create a tornado in a cup, which was looking cool. Then I went ahead to add some LEDs and the result was just so beautiful. Number 7 is the magnetic pen holder. This gadget keeps your pen standing on its tip, so instead of dropping your pen on the desk after writing, you just place it here and it stands. It's kind of stable and looks futuristic. Number 8 is the Tesla coil. This device can wirelessly light up fluorescent bulbs just by bringing it close. It also has this beautiful corona discharge that can even light a matchstick. Number 9 is the spy glasses. These glasses help you see what's behind you with the help of a mirror, so you don't always have to turn around. Number 10, I reinvented the matchbox. This method makes it so easy to light a matchstick because all you need to do is pull it out of the box and it lights up instantly. Finally, number 11 is the water-powered clock. I was able to generate a little amount of electricity from salt water, so I packaged it into a mini clock that runs on water. If you want to know how I built any of these gadgets, then check my playlist over here. You'll see a lot of my inventions and how I built them. Thanks for watching.